Hey, what's up? It's Wick for WickieMedia Tutorials, and today I'm gonna take a look at the Neve 1081 EQ, which is a UAD powered plugin by Universal Audio. It looks quite confusing, probably when you see it at first, but it's quite simple and straightforward. On the left here we've got a input gain, which allows us to boost or attenuate the input signal before it goes through our EQ circuitry. Then here we've got 4 different types of EQ bands, and we've got a filter section right here, which consists out of a high pass and a low pass filter. We've got these low and high shelving and 2 bell curved type of equalizers, and the thing that you'll probably have to get used to is that we have got the high frequencies on the left and the low frequencies on the right, which I think is the opposite of what you're getting used to. I'm going to look at this high shelving type. You can see the symbol for this shelving type is right here. So this indicates that this is a high shelving type, and we can select this to be a peak or a bell curved with this switch right here. And then we've got 2 knobs in one. It's that they photograph this plugin from above, or else you could see that this normally has a little bit of height, so you can easily see that it's 2 different knobs. But it has 2 functions, and that is to select the frequency with the outer ring of this knob. And then with the inner knob, we can select the amount of attenuation or gain that we're applying on that frequency. So here in the middle, it is central, it is neutral at 0, and here we're boosting, and here we're attenuating the frequency group. Then we've got 2 bell type of EQs, and you can see that with the symbol here below. And it's not a fully parametric, it's got a fixed Q value, which we can only set to a higher Q value, or else it's a low Q value. Then we've got a low shelving with, again, a peak or a bell switch, which allows us to make this a bell curve instead of this low shelving type. Then we've got the 2 filters. These are 2 different types of filters. This one is controlling one filter, and this one is controlling one filter. We can turn on or off the whole EQ with this knob right here. We've got a PH button, which is the phase reverse button, so we can actually phase reverse our signal here. If you want to learn more about equalizers in general, you should check out some of my videos. And I'm going to use this EQ in a live project where I'm really going to talk about equalizing the frequency content of the signals in my mix. So please check out some of my other videos here on YouTube. And if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see y'all soon. Peace!